Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Claudia here. I am so excited about today's video because today I'm gonna show you how I turn a regular t-shirt into a super cute matching top and mask. I know that matching and fashion are not like the most important things right now. I know, but if you can have fun during this boring quarantine, why not do it, right? And I do want to say that the mask is CDC approved, so don't come for me in the comments, please. I'm gonna leave their link down below just in case you guys want to check it out. But yeah, this tutorial is super easy to make, so I hope you enjoy it and you subscribe for more, perhaps? Okay, let's just get started. Okay guys, so the first thing you're gonna do is grab a t-shirt you don't really care about or one that you want to transform. You're gonna flip it over and you're going to cut 12 inches off from the back. So that piece of fabric that we're getting from the t-shirt is what we're going to use for the mask, but we only need 6 inches, so you can cut that in half and save the rest of the fabric for a future mask that we're going to make. Now you're going to fold the fabric in half, and you can use safety pins so that the two sides are not moving while you cut them, but they're not necessary, to be honest. Now you're going to leave 4 to 6 inches for the mouth part of the mask and half an inch on the top and half an inch at the bottom. Finally, you're going to stretch out the 4 strings of your mask, and that's it. You're done with this part. Now going back to the shirt, you're gonna flip it over so that you're facing the front side of it. And you're gonna cut it down the middle about 12 inches. It doesn't have to be perfect though, because we are gonna make more cuts, so don't worry about it too much. Now this part, you're gonna cut it in a triangle shape. I cut only about 2 inches off, but I would recommend cutting like maybe 4 or 5. I actually had to go back on it and cut a little bit more because over here I didn't cut enough. So make sure you cut more than I did, because it's gonna be way better when you have to stretch out your shirt like I'm doing right here. You're gonna want to pull it pretty hard just to make sure that you stretch it out as much as you can so that you can make a knot at the back. So once you're done making the knot, that's it, you're done. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please let me know down below, and also make sure you subscribe because I am going to be posting all the DIY masks, so if you want to be notified when I post, make sure you do that. And I'll just see you guys next time. Bye!